اهلا بيكم طلبة المرحلة الاعدادية في فيديو جديد. قعدت كتير افكر الفيديو الجديد يا ترى يكون عن ايه او اعمله عن ايه، واخيرا افتكرت. طلبة كتير بيقولوا انا مش بحب الديالوج، انا مش بعرف احل الديالوج. انا بقى جبت لك الحل. لو عايز تحل الديالوج بسهولة وتبقى توب، اتفرج على الفيديو ده للاخر من غير ستوب. Hello my students, today we are going to deal with a very important question in the exam, which is the dialogue. Let's deal with 3 different dialogues. Here we have the first one. Finish the following dialogue. Rami and Hani are talking about the next mid-year holiday. Pleased to meet you, Hani. Here we have a space. Here we have a question. The answer is, I will spend the next mid-year holiday in Hurghada. Number 3, here we have a question. The answer is, because it's a wonderful place for a holiday. What activities are there to do? Here we have an answer. And at last, have a great time. Now let's answer this dialogue. It's very easy. Pleased to meet you, Hani. Of course, the answer will be pleased to meet you too. لما احب اجاوب طبعا على pleased to meet you، اكيد هيبقى الانسر pleased to meet you too، وانا كمان. Number 2, we have a question, and the answer is, I will spend the next mid-year holiday in Hurghada. As you know, Hurghada is a place, so we will make a question using where. هنستخدم اكيد where في الاول، وبعد كده بما ان عندي will فهنستخدمها كمان كhelping verb او كفعل مساعد، وهنغير I نخليها you. Where will you spend the next mid-year holiday? Number 3, because it's a wonderful place for a holiday. طبعا لما بيبقى عندي answer because أكيد لازم يبقى question using why. We can say, why will you go there? Or, why will you spend the next mid-year holiday there? What activities are there to do? ايه هي الأنشطة اللي ممكن نعملها؟ We have lots of activities. I can say there are many activities like snorkeling and scuba diving. And then have a great time. Okay, let's deal with the second dialogue. Rana and Noor are talking about reading. Here we have a question. The answer is, hi Rana. Yes, there is a library in my school. How often do you go there? And here we have number 2 space. Number 3, we have a question. And number 4, yes, I borrow many books. And then, what kind of books do you prefer? And number 4, here we have a space. Okay, let's answer this dialogue. Hi Noor. Here we have a question and the answer. The answer is, hi Rana, yes, there is a library in my school. Well done, it's easy. We will ask using is, because we have yes, we will not use a question word. مش هنستخدم أداة استفهام زي what أو where أو when أو how، لكن هنستعين بالhelping verb أو الفعل المساعد اللي هو موجود أصلا عندنا في الجملة. And we will say, is there a library in your school? Well done. Here we have, how often do you go there? How often طبعا من أهم ال questions اللي بتجيلنا، هو معناه كم عدد المرات. لما نحب نكتب الانسر ل how often ممكن نستخدم حاجات زي once, twice. We can also say, I always, I usually, I often, I sometimes, and so on. So we can say, I go there twice a week. Well done. Let's deal with number 3. Here we want to make a question and the answer is, yes, I borrow many books. هتقعد كتير تفكر يا ترى هنا تسأل بإيه. زي ما اتفقنا قبل كده، مش هنستخدم هنا question words زي what أو where أو when أو how، لكن هنسأل بhelping verb أو فعل مساعد. طيب هو الhelping verb هنا مش موجود من عندنا، احنا اللي هنجيبه، يبقى لازم نبص على الverb اللي موجود عندنا. عندنا هنا borrow، وborrow طبعا is an infinitive. So we will ask using do, and we will say, do you borrow books from the library? The last one, what kind of books do you prefer? ايه نوع الكتب اللي انت بتفضلها؟ I will say, for example, I prefer comic books. We can say I prefer science fiction books, classic books, and so on. Now let's deal with the third dialogue. Mustafa met his friend Ramiz who has been to Cairo. How are you, Ramiz? Here we have a question, and the answer is fine, I have been to Cairo. Here we have a question, and the answer is I traveled there last spring. Where did you stay there? And here we want a question. Sorry, here we want an answer. The next one, did you enjoy your stay there? Number 4, we want an answer. Okay, let's start. How are you, Ramiz? And here we have a question, and the answer is fine, I have been to Cairo. It's so easy. As we know, Cairo is also a place, so we will ask using where. And then we will use have, and we will change I to be you. So the question will be, where have you been? Number 2, here we have an answer. I traveled there last spring. Okay, last spring is a time, so we will ask using when. طيب الفعل المساعد اللي هنستخدمه, here we have traveled, it's in the past simple. طبعا ده ماضي بسيط, so we will use did, and we will change I to be you. So the question will be, when did you travel, or when did you travel there? Where did you stay there? It's so easy. Well done. I stayed, we will change the verb to be in the past simple. I stayed in a hotel. Did you enjoy your stay there? It's very easy. لما يبقى عندي سؤال بادئ بفعل مساعد زي do أو does أو did, زي are أو is, will أو can, and so on, we will answer using yes or no. So it's so easy. I will say yes I did, or yes sure, yes of course, and so on. Thanks for your attention. I hope you enjoyed our video. See you later. Bye.